What's going on, team, and welcome back to another video. So today will be a quick video explaining what the CPI and PPI reports are. These are two major economic reports that we pay close attention to because they significantly impact the securities that we trade. Starting with CPI, which is short form for Consumer Price Index. So taking this directly from investing.com, you can see that the CPI report measures the change in price of goods and services that are paid by consumers. So individuals like yourself and I. This is why it's also known as the inflation report. PPI, on the other hand, is short form for Producer Price Index, and this measures the change in selling prices received by domestic producers. So whenever manufacturers sell their products, the PPI report measures that change in the sale price. We have a separate video breaking down a CPI report, but some goods and services that the CPI report measures is food, energy, apparel, and shelter, while PPI covers primary goods like commodities, intermediate goods like fabric, and finished goods. Even though the PPI report is very important, the Federal Reserve pays more attention towards CPI because it affects a larger scale of people, which are the day-to-day consumers. So now that you understand what the CPI and PPI reports are, let's take a look at core CPI and core PPI. These two reports measure the same products that I mentioned before, but they don't include the food and energy services. So unlike regular CPI and PPI reports, which include the food and energy services, core CPI and core PPI exclude these items. The number one reason why these two services are excluded in a core report is because the Federal Reserve cannot influence the food and energy services. You'll find that the Fed likes to pay more attention towards the core reports because these are the goods and services that they can actually have an impact on. But with that being said, team, if you have any further questions on this video, please reach out to us through our questions channel located in the Discord server.